Hi guys, so today my wheels came and these have been my dream wheel for a long time. These two don't know what they are.
You just said dream wheel, so I got an idea.
I told them I got JNC wheels.
014 bronze.
JNC 014 bronze. We'll open them up and see if they are JNC 014 bronze. They might be, they might not be. So, which one should we open up?
Let's open that one.
This one?
Yeah, let's open that one.
Oh.
I'm scared.
It's gonna be insane.
My anxiety is like through the roof right now.
The GNCs are coming.
3-piece JNCs or what?
Okay.
Holy
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
So I ended up getting work wheels VSX's 3-piece, silver face, polished lip, gold hardware, and it looks really good. What do you guys think?
It looks so fucking good.
Speechless or what?
Literally, bro. What the hell? Why are they so clean?
These are just high disc in the front. So if Max ever wanted to try these on his STI, it should clear big brakes. Yes.
Hey, the RJNCs, it's just got the thing right there.
Boy.
Yeah, JNC right there.
So he wasn't lying. That looks so freaking good, Alan. What the heck?
You thought he was getting these? Nah, you thought he was getting CR Lives.
Yeah, I was thinking here Kaiser Meisters.
This thing is heat, bro. It is heavy.
Oh, this is heavy.
Now it's their turn to get cool wheels. I mean, their wheels are cool too, but you know.
I got Concept, but they're not sponsored me, so I need new wheels.
Oh yeah, Conce, if you're watching this, I wouldn't mind getting sponsored by you guys. So. But yeah, these are the wheels I got. Now I need to go get the tires and stuff modded, and I'm still waiting on the lower control arms to come. Hi guys, today we are going to be, or tonight, it's nighttime. Tonight we're going to be putting on my new front lip. Max is going to be slotting his coilovers in the front. And then I would try to document all this just because I need content for the channel. My house? Yeah. Max, what are we doing today? Or doing first?
Doing first,
Yes.
we are installing this front lip. Same one, because his broke.
You see, all zip tied. I broke it even more the other day.
EP3.
But yeah, that's what we're doing today. And then we are going to slot your coilovers.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't bind. Axle bind.
Hope not. He got his LCAs in the other day. You see, this is like maxed out camber plates. Looks whack. But here, that's like, you said that's like about -7 or negative 10.
Yeah, -10 around there.
Surprised your axle didn't pop out, dude. Let's get this front lip on. Okay, Max, how long do you think it would take us to put on this front lip?
20 minutes.
20 minutes?
20 minutes.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's get this shit knocked out.
Okay, do the time lapse.
Time lapse. You gonna put that on your car?
Yeah.
It's broken.
You guys wanna buy this? Put it on eBay.
eBay?
$25, the best offer.
I'll sign it. Endless Collective.
It's not that messed up. It's alright.
It's pretty messed up.
Yeah, it's messed up.
Okay, time to put the new one on.
You guys order this? You better order now.
Yes.
These come out of stock fast.
These are one of my favorite lips for this chassis. I bought it on eBay. The brand is called EOS CS Style. And one main reason why I like this is because they are designed specifically for the 18 and up bumpers. So that's why the fitment is really good.
They act like that shit gonna hold.
So if you guys plan on putting on a front lip for the first time, buy your own screws because the ones that the eBay suppliers supply you with are super short and they don't do the job well.
Cause I use the screws on mine because I ordered the same one too. My girl took it to work and it flew off.
Not good. All right, we got the new one on. No more broken front lip. Pretty satisfied.